Spreadshirt Review. In this video, I will talk about Spreadshirt. I will explain pros, cons, features. First, let's talk about features. Spreadshirt is an all-in-one e-commerce platform and print-on-demand (POD) service that allows users to create and sell custom products. With over 100,000 active sellers, it's a popular choice for businesses and brands looking to create unique merchandise. Wide range of products. Over 200 items, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. Design tools. Easy-to-use design editor for customizing products with images and text. No inventory management. Spreadshirt handles production, shipping, and fulfillment. Marketplace and Spreadshop. Options to sell on Spreadshirt's marketplace or create your own online store. AI-powered tools. Utilize automated tools for social media and marketing. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Re-store creation. Easily set up your own store without upfront costs. Diverse product range. Over 200 POD products to choose from. User-friendly design editor. Simple tools for creating custom designs. Access to marketplace. Sell to an existing audience on Spreadshirt's marketplace. Some cons. Low marketplace earnings. Only 20% of the sale price goes to the seller. Limited customer service hours. Available Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. High bounce rate. As of March 2023, the site has a 51.83% bounce rate. Payments are processed monthly, with minimum balance requirements varying by currency. For example, in the US, the minimum payout is $10. In conclusion, Spreadshirt is a versatile platform for creating and selling custom merchandise. It's particularly suited for those looking for an easy-to-use design tool, a variety of products, and multiple sales channels. However, be mindful of the lower earnings on the marketplace and the limited customer service hours. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.